All right, Zach. Well, I'll try to work through this problem for you. Uh, Hopefully this will help you get through the question you had on this one. So it says an alloy is a mixture of metals. So suppose that a certain alloy is made by mixing 120 grams of another alloy that contains 42% copper. So if we look at just this part, this means we have 120 grams that is 42% copper. So what I could do is I could change that percent to a decimal. So 42% of 120. And now I can just go to my calculator and type that in. And so my calculator is not open on my screen, so I'll just do it on my one on by my side of my desk. So 0.42 times 120 is 50.4. So that means out of this 120 grams, so we had 120 grams of a bunch of different things mixed together. 50.4 of them are copper. So 50.4 grams are copper. Okay, so we're going to mix that. So now we're going to mix this 120 with the 200 grams of pure copper. So I have 200 more grams of pure copper. So what we have is we have 50.4 grams of pure copper plus another 200 pure grams of copper. So I have 250.4 grams of straight copper. Now, because I had 120 grams of this alloy before, when I add it together, I have 120 plus 200. So I have 320 total grams of everything mixed together. Because this 120 was a mixture of some stuff plus copper, and this is 200 grams of pure copper, and we're putting it all together in one melting pot. So when I put it all together in one melting pot, there's 320 grams of everything. There's only 250.4 grams of copper. So then all that we have to do is take that and divide it. So I go 250.4 divided by 320. And that gives me 0.7825. So in other words, what percentage of the resulting mixture is copper? 78% is copper. And how many grams is it? How many grams of copper are in the resulting mixture? 250.4. Well, it says do not do any rounding, so that has to be 78.25%. So anyways, that's how many grams are in the resulting mixture and the percent of copper in the resulting mixture. So hopefully that helps you do that problem. And like I said, if you get stumped, don't be afraid to give me a call back and just say, hey, can you FaceTime me or Google Chat? That'd be better, because then I can pull the problem up on the computer and show you how to do it. So anyways, hope that helps, and talk to you later.